Happy day everyone, thanks for clicking into the video. I know those who want to transform your hair, you might have went through lot of videos, and especially those who are having thin hair which is not at all good looking. At least we want the hair to be good looking, either it should grow, but for us nothing of this will happen, right? So I am one of a girl who suffering from this, to be frank. As you see in the thumbnail, that is my hair looking right now. So I have tried so many things in my life, okay, and not even chemical based. So many bananas I have used my hair, but not even a single day I came out with a result. I thought one day if I got a good looking hair using the hair mask, I will make a YouTube video, but I have tried it so much and I got to know it is not working at all. Even after trying some of the shampoos suggested by many YouTubers, it is not working for me. So now here I am taking this video to know how many of you are suffering like this, or is there anyone who really suffered with this hair and transformed your hair? I really want your comments. I really want to people to let me know, is this a common or only happening with me? So this might be a really rough video. I am not a content creator, but I want to make this video right now because I don't know why this happening to me, why this is happening only to my hair. Because from my childhood I always wanted to have a long hair. I used to take care of my hair, I used to oil properly, but why it is not growing, why it is not good looking? So this is the question. And today this would be a rough video as how you talk with a friend. Sorry for that, but those who suffered like this, just stay in this video. And I'm going to make a routine and I will show you what are the products I got. This all got from researching from the YouTube only. So okay, I will talk about this later. So basically this will be a hair transformation challenge. This I'm going to take in front of everyone. Okay, starting from today I will be letting you know what are the oil I'm going to use, what are the products I have got freshly. Even I haven't opened the pack also, because I want to start with the audience who suffering like me. Why when I mention clearly it is as suffering, I know hair is like a kind of love for many people. Even after giving so much love towards my hair, it never grows, you know. I'm not de-appreciating it, but I want it to grow, I want it to look good. I feel whenever I get a good looking hair, my whole world will be changed. So that's the amount of love I have towards my hair. So that's why the words coming out of my mouth like this. Sorry if someone getting hurted. So yeah, this is going to be a transformation challenge. So before that, I am going to show you what are the products I have used so far, you know. So a person with love towards hair might have used so much products, either chemically or naturally. As I said before, naturally I have used curd a lot for my hair, and banana mask become the one of the routine in every hair wash. But there is no difference seen in my hair. My hair still look like how I mentioned in the thumbnail. Okay, I have been used it very okay. Usually I don't use any mask regularly, but banana mask I have used, till it is not showing me any result. But whenever I use curd, right, it make my hair soft. But soft, when we touch, we can feel it is looking feeling soft. But apart from that, appearance wise, there is no what I could say change in me. And let me introduce the products I have used so far. Give me a minute. So these are some of the products, only some of the products, okay, where there are some little bit of amount is left and I haven't thrown. So I thought, let me show this to everyone. This is not sponsored. These are the products I have tried, okay. And this is not a 1 year collection. It's been 3 years or 2 years something. So my hair fall started like 3 to 4 years back, and all of a sudden it will stop. And in between I got again hair fall. Actually hair fall is usual for everyone, right? In between I started using castor oil. Just I applied once and I got like a handful of hair. I have mentioned in this in another video as well. Just once I applied the castor oil and I got handful of hair. You think how it will feel? So after that I went to doctor and I got this or this, I guess, and these two products are from doctors recommended. Whenever I apply this oil, I feel like the hair fall is stopping. I don't know whether it's because of the oil or like food. I started taking badams, so everything, but there is no difference, you know. Hair stops, yeah, hair fall stops, but after that there is no growing, there is no shining, so nothing, there is no difference I could feel as of now. Apart from that, I have used minoxidils also. Before 2 years I was facing severe hair falls, and these things. So in between, I think a year back I was so serious and I thought, let me transform my hair. Even if it is not growing, I wanted to look good. So I think many people might be knowing about the Smitten app where we can get sample, and I used this and the hair fall started. So I was like, okay, I should come to an end to start using any new product. So after this, it's been a year, I guess, more than a year, and I didn't buy any such products. And if you could see, it is once or twice only I used. Then I have all this product, even the expired date was gone, but just wanted to show to everyone that I have tried these as well. And this one, during my college days, my friends used to say you should apply conditioner, that's why your hairs are looking like very dry. So only once I used this, that only I have bought, so because it was coming in the sachet. Hair fall started extremely. I know I applied in the, not in the roots, only in the length, but still. So I was like very afraid why it's happening to me. Everyone suggested me to use the conditioner, but I'm getting the hair fall. I'm again fed up. So then I stopped, I guess. But I felt the softness in my hair. Even though it made my hair fall, I felt the softness in my hair. So whenever I'm going to any functions or something, I don't use it very frequently, okay, very rarely. As of now, in this 3 to 4 years, I might have used only 10 pockets, okay. I used to buy this and little only we will be using this. So now also recently I went for some function, so I bought this. So I'm not like explaining anything in the details because I want to complete this video quickly, because I want to introduce the product from which I'm going to start my journey. So these are few products I have used, and these are not worked for me that much well, but the hair oils so make your hair fall stops, and I guess it will make your hair soft as well. I can't say these are bad, but I feel there is no result. And this I bought because my hair is brownish also, no. I thought of making it black, but my mom said whenever I use this, it will make you more brownish. So I didn't even open this pack. Coming to this, so after a long period, like my friends used to suggest me this conditioner as well, and this one serum. They used to say that the serum is also very essential. So just 3 months back I started using this serum. To be frank, I don't see any changes. I guess my hairs are still looking dry, but still I'm using this. So now whenever I'm doing a hair wash, I'm using the serum. Okay, this is the cheapest one, that's why I bought. There is no reason for this. Okay, let's get into the second part of the video, that is going to show my new products. Okay, so yeah, these are the new products. I haven't even opened my box. I thought let's start this journey with a video, so it will make me to work towards this. And I want to people who are using the same products, who are already suffering this kind of hair fall or dryness with me. So let's unbox this product with me with a hope. Okay, I hope this product will give me a change, and who are watching, for your hair and in your life as well. Let's unbox this product now. This one I little open, but I haven't seen the product, to be frank. I promise you. This I will open it right away. All this I got from Myntra only, because usually I will compare the price whenever I am getting some products, right? It is hard to open. So wherever it is cheap, I used to buy. This time I bought these things from Myntra. Just a minute. They have packed it so nicely. I like Myntra's packing. God, I think we are almost here. Let's see. This also I have made so much of research. You know, I might have seen so many videos, so many videos. That's why here also I mentioned, like for my hair. Then after this, which is coming under my budget as well, that is also so I think we can spend for my hair, but I want it to be under my budget as well, because if it is not working, we will feel too bad for losing our money. So after so many researches, then I finally thought of buying it. Wow, so big. Okay, why it is inside looking like this? I'm not sure. This is the first time I'm buying. This is a shampoo conditioner bottle actually. Okay, let's see what's inside this. See how the packing is. Ha. We got the product. Ha. Oh my god, so much big bottle it is. Okay, I have never used this much big bottle, and this one too. Okay, I'm feeling very happy because you see, no, usually I bought sachets or this much simple short bottle only, and first time buying a this much big bottle of shampoo, and this is the conditioner. Okay, let's remove all these boxes and see. Okay, so yeah, these are the three things I have bought for my hair. This, like, I got to know for dry hair it is been a very good remedy, and yeah, and this is also paraben and sulfate free shampoo, right? So I did ask ChatGPT also. After deciding on few products, I asked ChatGPT also to decide something, but we should not decide on ChatGPT, but still I'm really so confused. Then I came up with this herbal essence. Obviously this is not a sponsored one. See, this is the first time I'm seeing this bottle also, so I want to try. And why I bought this combo, no, like this is of 400 ml and this is of 240 ml. Altogether I got it for within 500, I guess, in what is that, Mantra. So yeah, I bought this herbal essence shampoo, and people said this is especially for the dry shampoo. Here it is mentioned like repair argan oil of Morocco, so I guess it will work for us. And this biorenew is especially without any chemicals as per the commands. Let's see what they are. The results: soft free flowing hair. They mentioned soft. Okay, they mentioned only softer, not frizz free. Okay, I have bought this. Okay, and I have bought the same conditioner as well with this. Okay, 0% paraben, gluten free. Oh, and I see the conditioner is looking like this, like kind of stuck or something. Can someone say whether the condition bottles will look like this only, or date? We have to check the expiry date whenever we are getting a new product. And this is also mentioned like repair conditioner only. Okay, so it should work. Yeah, so these two oil, after so much of research, I'm sorry, shampoo and conditioner, we should use both the same, no, for better results as far as I hear. So I have bought this herbal essence shampoo and conditioner. I'm not sure, after the first use it might cause hair fall, but I believe this will give me some good results. Okay, I thought of buying a hair pack also, hair mask also in the herbal essence, but that's fine. We should not go too much in the starting only, right? But the package just seems to be new only, no? It's not broken or not. But here I see the conditioners are like this. That is my buried, and this is of some plastic bottle only. Then coming to this, leave-in conditioner is also very important for dry hair. Okay, all this I'm saying because of my research only. This is the first time I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner also. Even I never used many conditioner before, as I said before. And for leave-in conditioner, no, I got to know it will remove the split ends also. Here also it is mentioned, na, and it will improve our length and tips. For dry hair people, length and tips are more tricky, you know, to handle. And in L'Oreal also there are so many things, I guess, hyaluronic acid, so many. So after some research I got to know this will be good for this. And this also I bought, the no haircut cream. So it is mentioned like it will protect from breakage and split end. Okay, apply on dry or wet hair. So I bought this as well. I don't know how many people have used this before. Let me know in the comments if it is useful or not. And looking good, no? I'm so excited as this is the first time I'm buying. How to open this? Okay, that's it. Okay, I should learn how to open all this and use this. But this much big bottle is the worry now. It feels something I bought extremely big. So guys, these 3 things I have bought for my hair, and you got to know how my hair is looking. I will be updating every day with my routine. Okay, I will update you via shorts. And apart from this, I am going to use a minoxidil, because once the doctor suggested this for me. So minoxidil, what is the serum I'm going to buy, and homemade serum also I'm going to use. Homemade serum I'm yet to bake. I will be making it from tomorrow. Today I will make it and put the video tomorrow, and from tomorrow I can start using the products. Okay, so what are the products we are going to use? Minoxidil and one homemade serum, because I'm extremely want to grow my hair, because I could see somewhere bald, like it's without hair, so it's looking very bad whenever we do some hairstyles. So these are the products. Let me know if you want the links also. I will put it in the description, because this together I bought it for 500 with less than this, I guess, in Myntra, and this is also cheap in Myntra. That's why all the 3 I have bought it in the Myntra. Okay, I hope you have seen the products well. So now I want to know, anyone who came till this is with me, anyone who is going to start your new hair journey, it's not essential that you should also use this herbal essence also. I bought it after doing some research. If you have also bought something and you are going to start your journey, please let me know in the comments, so it will feels like, okay, there is someone who is with me, and we are going to see how our hair care routine is going to be and how it's going to give the results. So let me know in the comment if anyone really want to be with me and show your hair care routine. And yeah, so there are many people who are thinking, not just for hair, whatever we are going to start, going for a gym or starting doing yoga, you know, you will be thinking, okay, 2025 is going to come, let's start from the new year. But why? We do have 2 months, right? If we start working on the hair right now, we can make it before 2025. Before 2025, on the day of new year, you might be thinking, yeah, I have achieved something, I have changed my hair, I have changed my look. So start it from today, and let me know if you want to review about any product which I'm using. Obviously I will be doing, and if you know something which I really worked for you, please do let me know in the comment. If it is not helping for me, at least it will be helpful for someone. Apart from this, I'm going to start with my whole body journey also. You might be thinking, yeah, I'm in the fire. So I'll be sharing all this, because I have tried so much things and it's never worked for me. So from here I will be making all this as a content, and I want to people know whether it worked for you or not, so that I can also stick to it, or I will be changing. So let's try to show my hair also in the video. I think in the lightning it might look somewhat black and good, but see, this is how my hair looks actually now. You could see, how dry, split-ended. So it's a real thumbnail picture only, not taken from the Wikipedia. So this is how it looks. Let's see how it is going to transform my hair. Okay, I'll be opening the Telegram channel soon to update the hair care routine. See you there. Bye bye.